The only blueprint that you need to create a life of freedom isn't sitting in some textbook or hiding in some secret mastermind. It's right here, and I'm going to show you how it works. Because it worked for me. I went from stuck and redundant at 60 and scared that my time had run out to building something at 65 that finally gives me freedom, peace of mind, and daily wins, to soon step into being a grandmother without the stress of money hanging over my head. If you've ever been craving more time, more freedom, more peace, you're in exactly the right place. Hi, I'm Pam. I'm the mom of 3 grown sons and a retired nurse, and I've just entered into this exciting season of my life where I'm about to be a grandmother. But a few years ago, it didn't feel that exciting at all. I was made redundant at 60. I was running out of savings, and honestly, I thought it might be too late for me to start something over. But what I'm about to share with you isn't theory. It's the blueprint that I followed step by step to get unstuck and to create real income online and to create days that actually feel like mine. The first step of this blueprint isn't about hustling harder. It's about clarity, because let's be honest, there are a million ways online to spin your wheels and get nowhere. I tried them. Surveys, random apps, programs that promised quick results but left you feeling frustrated and broke. What finally changed was finding a system that was simple, proven, and actually works. For me, that was learning digital marketing. Not the scammy kind, but the kind where you build real skill that connect people with the things that they need. So if you've ever felt scattered, you're not broken. You just need clarity. That's the foundation of this blueprint. Need a clearer picture of how all these pieces fit together? The second piece, it's commitment. And this is especially for people who think that their age is a disqualifier. When I lost my corporate job at 60, I thought, who's going to hire me now? And every failed attempt chipped away at my self-esteem. But I made a decision. I wasn't done yet. I had too much life to live. Commitment means you decide your future isn't finished, and then you back that up with committed action. The truth is, your commitment means more than your resume. That's what keeps you moving when results take time. Now, here most people skip, and it's why they quit, and that's community. When I tried to do it all on my own, I failed over and over again. But when I found a mentorship group that gave me daily guidance, encouragement, and people walking the same path, everything shifted for me. Would you rather go it alone without a map or alongside people who have already reached the top? Community is what turns a lonely struggle into a shared journey. And it's what kept me from giving up because others wouldn't let me. I used to think that I had to get everything right away. But really, I just had to keep showing up, recording one video, writing one post, learning one new skill at a time. And those daily steps started stacking up into real results. Consistency beats perfection. And the sooner you start, the sooner your future self will thank you. If you're feeling like, okay, I get it, but how does it all connect? Download my Freedom Formula Blue. It's the exact step-by-step plan that I followed to go from zero to earning online. And the final step of this blueprint might surprise you. It's celebration. Because if you don't pause and recognize your progress, you're always going to feel like you're behind. I used to beat myself up because I wasn't at some imaginary finish line. But then I realized, wait a second, I've created space to enjoy my family, and I'm stepping into this new chapter of life with more freedom than I ever thought possible at 65. That deserves to be celebrated. And celebrating your wins actually fuels you to keep going. It reminds you that you're already living proof that this blueprint works. So let me leave you with this. The blueprint isn't magic, and it's not just for me. It works for anyone who's willing to get clear, commit, plug into community, and stay consistent, and celebrate along the way. And now I'd love to hear from you. If this blueprint gave you back more of one thing, time, freedom, or peace, which one would you choose? Drop the answer in the comments. I read every single one of them, and I'd love to know where you're at. Remember, you're not too old, you're not too late, and your future is still wide open. Now that you know the only blueprint that you need, you might be wondering, what do I do next? It all starts by watching this next video right here, because when you pair that with what you've just learned, it's way more powerful. Until next time, remember, feed your dreams and fund your future.